Hello, it's me again, here for another haul. It's been a quite long time. I just haven't done any shopping since my last haul. Full disclosure, truth be known, I have a boyfriend now. That's the primary reason why I haven't done any videos. But today, I went to Haight Street, made different stops. Gonna share them with you today. My first stop was the Goodwill. I'm going to this event, Mustache Harbor, and they do this genre called yacht rock. It's for my friend's 40th birthday, and that's what she wants to do for her birthday. So I said, okay, let's do it. When's your birthday? Do whatever you want. So I thought I could find a yacht rock type of outfit. Every time I do go to Goodwill or any sort of thrift store, I always go straight to the DVD section because I still have a DVD player and a VCR because I'm very old school. And I always, I want to complete my Harry Potter collection and I want to complete my Lord of the Rings collection, but only via secondhand stores because I am green and I am cheap. So I found actually two more in my collection to add to my collection. I found these. Number 1, Sorcerer's Stone, and number 4, I think, Goblet of Fire. So I have 3 in my collection. 2 more. So now I still need 3 more, but it's not as easy as you would think. Sometimes you open them up and there's no disc in there at all. Or you open them up and it's like a disc of something else in there. Or you open it up and there's a disc, but it's like scratches and dirty and stuff. So it's not as easy as you would think. So I was quite excited to find 2 more. Ooh, and so I also found 2 towers. I have Fellowship, and now I have 2 towers. So now I have to find Return of the King. Very exciting for me. And then this was an interesting purchase. Nosferatu. Ooh, I've never actually seen this movie, and being that it's a classic, and then I am a fan of like vampires lore, I figured I need to get this, especially if it's only like $3 or less from the Goodwill. So that was all that I found at the Goodwill were DVDs. But next, I went to Buffalo Exchange. And still looking for yacht rock stuff. And I ended up buying this for my boyfriend. Yes, it is a Hawaiian shirt. It's got a vintagey looking tag, which I think is kind of cool. It's in really good condition. And fun fact, we are going on a cruise with some friends in April. I think he could rock the hell out of this. And for moi, I found a dress that I can wear on the cruise. It's black, but fuck it. It's cotton, it's comfortable. See, it's got this beautiful embroidered detail on the sleeves, and it's got this sort of like off the shoulder. The rest of it, who cares? Look at that detail. Cute. So the next haul is from Loved to Death, which is this unique store of oddities, I want to say. Taxidermy things, jewelry, skulls everywhere, so I'm into it. Bats and sort of like occult stuff. It's a really, really great store. And I hadn't planned on going there, but I happened to find a parking spot that was right in front. Like here's the store, here is the space. Parking in San Francisco is a bitch. When I got out of my cart, I look in their window and what do I see? A 25% off the entire store sale. And it's not a cheap store, but sometimes like you can find some really good deals. And with 25% off, like how can you say no? So the first thing I got was this really cool book. Look at it. Cranial Visions. If you like skulls, like I do, go to this freaking store. A lot of the skulls in my apartment are from Love to Death. And this book, it's skull imagery in various forms of art. So they start with tattoos, modern art, graffiti section. Ooh la la. Here's a really cool cubistic rendition of the skull. But skulls, for some reason, just really speak to me. And the intro here, I'm going to read it to you, kind of touches on that. It says, "The skull has no tongue, no flesh, nor life, yet it speaks volumes. Skulls are obviously vital to us all. They are an essential element in the human skeleton, and while they certainly do keep our brains protected, they also incite the mind inside each brain with creativity of all sorts." Ooh, and it goes on. Number 2 is, it's heavy as F, a bookend. Ooh, a skull, surprise. Look at. It's just one bookend. That's all I need. I don't even know, what is this? This thing, like the books aren't gonna go, no, and this is nice and heavy, so I'm not in the middle of the night. I'm not gonna like reach over and knock this over. If anything, I'll reach over and I'll hurt my hand. Oh, number 3, I'm actually wearing. Where am I wearing it? It's on my pinky finger. Labradorite stone. I'm gonna read to you what the internet says are the meanings of labradorite. And it says it is a stone of transformation. Labradorite is a useful companion through change, imparting strength and perseverance. It balances and protects the aura, raises consciousness, and grounds spiritual energies. Excellent for strengthening intuition, promoting psychic abilities. Powerful in revealing the truth behind illusions, labradorite banishes fears and insecurities. Who can't use a little bit of banishment of fears and insecurities, right? And strengthens faith in self and trust in the universe. It stimulates the imagination